Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the dispenser latch spring on your dishwasher. The reason why you might have to do this is because the spring isn't keeping the door closed. For this repair, we'll be using a 1/4" nut driver and a VT20 star bit. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dishwasher we're going to be using for our demonstration. It's a Maytag. Keep in mind, ours might be a little bit different than what you have at home, but the same technique should still apply. So we're going to open up our dishwasher door here. So now what we have to do is we have to get all the screws off around the door here. So we're going to be using a star bit VT20 in order to get those out. And the next thing we're going to do is we can lift up our door now that all the screws are out. And that'll just pop right off like so. And now what you'll want to do is just take note of where these wires are all at. We're going to have to unplug all of those and separate the door from the other half. There we go. And now I need to remove this actuator, and all we need to do on this is just pull it straight up and it'll pop right out. And this right here is going to be our dispenser latch spring. So in order to get it off, all we have to do is just stretch it up and it'll come right off. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement dispenser latch spring, and if you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. And in order to put it back on, I'm going to reattach it to our latch there. And then I'm going to attach it to this little piece right here. And make sure it's all pushed down all the way. There we go. And now put this other actuator back into place. And you'll see right here it's got a couple little clips right there that'll clip into place. So we just push it straight down like that. And everything should line up. And now we can plug the wires back into the door here. There we go. And now we can put the door down and screw it back in. And then close up the door, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.